Hey everybody, today I'm going to be doing a quick review on the Be-Free Sound Bluetooth speaker from Walmart. Pretty nice speaker. Comes with a microphone and a remote control. Sound quality's pretty good. So this is pretty cool. It actually has these lights on the back of it. So you can turn them on. It goes to the beat of the music. So I would definitely have to say this is definitely a speaker that's worth $159. Microphone even works in between. You just turn it on with the one switch button. It takes 2 AA batteries. Mic check, mic check. This would be a perfect thing for events or weddings or anything of the such. Yes, that's my quick review today, and thank you for watching.